Hey, how's it going, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're going up to an apartment today and we got to take a look at a plugged kitchen sink. Let's see what we find. So when somebody came on Saturday?
No, no one did.
Nobody even came on Saturday?
No.
But they knew about it Saturday?
I thought usually this happens a lot of times.
Okay.
So I didn't go downstairs, but on Sunday I went to go check if anyone was there, and Monday no one was downstairs. And then I thought it was anytime this happens, somebody would go down the bedroom.
Yeah. So just in the future, in case you didn't know, there should be an after hours number that you can call if the office isn't open. And then if there's somebody not in the office, but it'll go to like their on-call maintenance. And then, so if it backs up on a Saturday, you don't want to keep bailing and bailing until somebody shows it. No, that's what I'm saying. That's what I would do. Try to find out that number, and then if it ever does happen again, you always got the option to call that, right? Yeah. So I got to talk to the maintenance and get them to come and change out this part here. So it's going to leak until they come and do that. I just want to test it to see if it's actually going to drain properly. Perfect. All right.
That's it?
That's it. So,
Someone else is done.
yeah, I'm gonna go tell the management about the trap, and they'll come and change that out. All right?
Yeah.
Have a good day.
Thank you very
No
much.
problem. You can use your sink.
Yeah.
Just watch the buckets under there. You don't want it to fill up. If it gets about half full, take it out, empty it, and then,
Okay.
because if it's
I'll
too,
just leave it.
well, the reason I say if it's full
Yeah.
and you got to take it out, you're gonna have to tilt it to get it out.
And it's gonna pour, yeah.
So only do it half full and you should be good.
Okay.
All right?
Yeah, thank you.
No problem. You have yourself a good day.
No problem.
Thanks. All right, guys, there you go. So we snaked it out. Everything's looking good now. That P-trap is leaking, so we're gonna have to get the maintenance to put a new P-trap on. Until next time, this has been Jay That Drain Guy signing out. Taragna.